Is it the right time to buy or sell Mullen Automotive stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Mullen Automotive. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, October 26, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could affect your investments. Make better trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 16, 2023, our system has identified Mullen Automotive as a sell candidate, with a score of -3.72. Now, let's examine how the stock performed during this period. Unfortunately, the stock experienced a significant loss of 99.52%. This means that on average, it lost 0.57% per day since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock has recently broken a wide and falling short-term trend. This could indicate a potential shift in the overall trend. Although the rate of decline may slow down initially, it could be an early signal of a change in direction. Looking ahead, there is a support level at $0.218, which could provide an opportunity for a rebound. However, there is a resistance level at $0.555, based on fan theory, that might be challenging to break through on the first attempt. When considering the next 3 months, there is a potential -79.17% change in the stock's value, with a possible return between -100% and -85.53%. For the next 12 months, the trend suggests a -76.68% change, with a potential return between -100% and 1983.7%. This means that the price could range from $0 to $6.53 after a year. Our latest daily update for Mullen Automotive brings some interesting news. The stock price experienced high volatility on Thursday and closed at $0.314. On the last trading day, the Mullen Automotive stock price saw a significant gain of 19.69%. It rose from $0.262 to $0.314. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 28.54%, reaching a low of $0.280 and a high of $0.360. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a decline of 24.98%. However, there is a positive sign as volume increased along with the price on the last day. In total, 91 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, amounting to approximately $38.23 million in transactions involving 122 million shares. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Mullen Automotive stock was $132.32, while the lowest price was $0.221. At present, the stock is trading at a significant discount of 99.76%, or $132.01, below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is even 99.99% lower than the all-time high, which occurred on November 17, 2021. On that day, the stock price reached an impressive $3,577.50. Mullen Automotive has shown several signals worth noting. On Monday, October 23, 2023, a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 40.13% increase. The upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is identified. Notably, the volume has been rising alongside the price, indicating a positive technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals to consider, which could impact short-term development. While the short-term moving average suggests a buy signal, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Given that the long-term average surpasses the short-term average, a negative forecast is anticipated for the stock. Should the stock advance further, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $0.444. Conversely, if the stock declines, the short-term average at $0.280 is expected to provide support. A breakout beyond the long-term average would generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall outlook. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy signal, but the duration is not available. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal, but the duration is not available. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a sell signal. Let's analyze the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 176 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 164 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Mullen Automotive. Mullen Automotive has found support from accumulated volume at $0.306. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. It's important to note that this stock exhibits high volatility, meaning it may experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, further highlighting the stock's classification as very high risk. In the past day, the stock had a price range of $0.0799, equivalent to 28.54% of its value. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 23.38%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Mullen Automotive, let's begin by understanding some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either losing money or has negative earnings. Even well-established companies experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios can indicate insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 12, 2024. Today, we'll be diving into the potential day trading levels for Mullen Automotive. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Mullen Automotive stands at $0.345. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. However, for those who already own the stock, this level could be worth exploring for swing trading opportunities. Now, let's shift our focus to the downside. Mullen Automotive encounters its first support level at $0.306. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Mullen Automotive has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. One of the key insiders, Mishieri David, has executed the 5 most recent insider trades. David has bought and sold a total of 11,801,388 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 41.018. Overall, insiders have purchased 181,510,419 shares and sold 67,868,103 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is investing in Mullen Automotive stock a wise choice? Unfortunately, Mullen Automotive currently shows several negative signals, indicating potential weak performance in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock leans towards the negative side. However, it's important to note that our analysis reveals that the current price of Mullen Automotive is undervalued. Moving on to trading predictions for Friday, October 27th, we expect Mullen Automotive to open up with a modest increase of $0.0042, starting at $0.318. Before we begin, it's important to keep in mind that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise seeking guidance from a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with valuable insights on the stock market. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of a particular stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. We'd also love to know your target for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with all our latest videos. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.